In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to properly cite images and sources in your designs. It only takes a few simple steps, so let's get started. First, head over to the Edit toolbar and click on the Uploads button to access your media. Go ahead and upload or select the image that you need to cite in your project. To create your citation, you'll need a text box. Just click the Text tab on the left sidebar to get started. Select the option to add a text box to your canvas. With your text box ready, go ahead and enter the citation details for your image. You can type it in directly or paste it from another source. Make sure to resize and reposition the citation so it fits nicely with your design layout. For a more complete citation, consider including the source website name and the direct URL where you found the image. When everything looks good and your citations are in place, you can save your work or download the final project. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add proper citations to any design. Feel free to run through this again anytime you need a refresher.